Hello everyone. Welcome to W3 Grad's Quick Tech Solutions. We are back with another most important topic for every professional and job seeker. That is, interview etiquettes. We are going to discuss some useful tips on interview etiquettes. In the current scenario, employers are interested in more than just qualifications. Here's where etiquette, or manners, comes into play during the interview. If the thought of such a high-stakes test of your character and manners scares you, take a deep breath and relax. Even the smartest and most qualified job seekers need to prepare for job interviews. You might wonder, why? Well, interviewing is a learned skill, and there are no second chances to make a great first impression. So study these 10 strategies to enhance your interview etiquette. Practice good nonverbal communication. It's about demonstrating confidence, standing straight, making eye contact, and connect with a good and firm handshake. That first nonverbal impression can be a great beginning, or quick ending, to your interview. Dress for the job or company. The present casual dress codes should not be followed while attending an interview. It is important to look professional and well-groomed. Whether you wear a suit or something less formal, your attire reflects your personality, the company culture, and the position you are seeking. If possible, call to find out about the company dress code before the interview. Listen. From the very beginning of the interview, your interviewer is giving you information, either directly or indirectly. If you are not hearing it, you are missing a major information. Good communication skills include listening and letting the person know you heard what was said. Observe your interviewer and match that style and pace. Don't talk too much. Telling the interviewer more than what he needs to know could be a fatal mistake. When you have not prepared ahead of time, you may ramble when answering interview questions, sometimes talking yourself right out of the job. Prepare for the interview by reading through the job posting, matching your skills with the position's requirements, and relating only that information. Don't be too familiar. The interview is a professional meeting to talk business. This is not about making a new friend. Your level of familiarity should mimic the interviewer's demeanor. It is important to bring energy and enthusiasm to the interview and to ask questions. But do not overstep your place as a candidate looking for a job. Use appropriate language. You should use professional language during the interview. Be aware of any inappropriate slang words or references to age, race, religion, politics, or sexual orientation. These topics could send you out of the door very quickly. Don't be cocky. Attitude plays a key role in your interview success. There is a fine balance between confidence, professionalism, and modesty. Even if you're putting on a performance to demonstrate your ability, overconfidence is as bad, if not worse, as being too reserved. Take care to answer the questions. When an interviewer asks for an example of a time when you did something, he is seeking a sample of your past behavior. If you fail to relate a specific example, you not only fail to answer the question, but you also miss an opportunity to prove your ability and talk about your skills. Ask questions. When asked if they have any questions, most candidates answer, no. This is a wrong answer. Always ask questions to demonstrate an interest in what goes on in the company. Asking questions also gives you the opportunity to find out if this is the right place for you. The best questions come from listening to what you're asked during the interview and asking for additional information. Don't appear desperate. When you interview with a please hire me approach, you appear to be desperate and less confident. Maintain the 3 C's during the interview: cool, calm, and confident. You know you can do the job, make sure the interviewer too believes you can do it. So, friends, these are some of the useful tips which can help you demonstrate professional interview etiquettes. We hope you liked this video. If yes, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching this video.